In today's video, we are going to be talking about the differences between sometimes, sometime in 2 words, and sometime. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more video. Let's start with sometimes. Sometimes is an adverb of frequency that means occasionally, now and then, from time to time. It is used to say how frequently something happens. Sometimes means that something happens occasionally, not always. Let's see some example. Sometimes I enjoy going for a walk in the park. In this sentence, sometimes is used to indicate that the action of going for a walk in the park occurs occasionally or at certain times but not always. Sometimes, it's best to just let things unfold naturally. Here, sometimes suggests that there are occasions when it's advisable to allow events to progress without intervention or control. I sometimes forget where I put my keys. This example illustrates that the speaker occasionally experiences forgetfulness regarding the location of their keys. Now, let's move into sometime in 2 words. Sometime is a phrase consisting of 2 separate words. In this case, some works as an adjective to describe time, a noun. It can be used in the past, the present, or the future. Sometime refers to a certain period or span of time. We don't really know how long the period of time is. It might be an hour, a week, or a year. Let's see some example. I need some time to finish this report. In this sentence, some time refers to a period of time needed by the speaker to complete the report. She spent some time traveling around Europe last summer. Here, some time indicates a duration during which the person traveled around Europe. We should allocate some time for brainstorming ideas. This example suggests setting aside a specific amount of time for the activity of brainstorming ideas. And finally, we got sometime. Sometime is an adverb that represents an unspecified point in time or indefinite time in the future. Often, sometime can be substituted with someday or sooner or later. It's used to indicate that an event will happen, but the exact time is not specified. For example, let's catch up sometime next month. In this example, sometime is used to refer to an unspecified or indefinite time in the future. The speaker is suggesting a general time frame for meeting up, but the exact date and time are not specified. I'll finish the project sometime this week. Here, sometime indicates that the completion of the project will occur at an unspecified point during the current week. The speaker has a flexible timeline for finishing the task. We should visit that new restaurant sometime. In this sentence, sometime is used to suggest a future occasion for visiting the new restaurant. The speaker doesn't specify a particular date or time but expresses a desire to go there in the future. In each example, sometime is used to refer to an unspecified time in the future, providing flexibility and allowing for the event to occur without committing to a specific time frame. So, to recap, sometime refers to an unspecified future time. Sometime refers to a period of time, and sometimes refers to actions that occur occasionally. Hope that clears up any confusion. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.